day everyone. Today I will discuss Canva. What is Canva? Canva is online graphic design platforms that allows users to create attractive and professional looking visual content. It was launched in 2013 with the goal of making graphic design simple and accessible to everyone, even for people with no design experience. Unlike traditional graphic design software, Canva uses a drag and drop interface, making it easy to add and arrange text, images, icons, elements. It can be accessed through a web browser or mobile application, allowing users to work on their projects anytime and anywhere. Canva offers both free and premium versions, giving users access to thousands of templates, graphics, fonts, and editing tools. Example: as a student, I use Canva to create PowerPoint presentations, posters, and infographics for school projects. Instead of starting from a blank page, I can simply choose a template, edit the text and images, and create a professional looking presentation in just a few minutes. So, what is the purpose of Canva? The main purpose of Canva is to help people create high quality designs quickly and easily. One of Canva's biggest advantages is that it provides thousands of ready made templates that save time and effort. Users do not need advanced graphic design skills because Canva already provides layouts, fonts, colors, and graphics that can easily be customized. Another purpose of Canva is to communicate ideas more effectively. Visual designs are easier to understand and more engaging that help plain text, making presentations and reports more interesting for the audience. Canva also encourages teamwork through its collaboration feature, allowing multiple users to edit the same project simultaneously. Example: if our teachers assigns us to create a poster about environmental protection, Canva helped us design a colorful and informative poster with images, icons, and attractive fonts. For group projects, every member can edit the presentation from their own device, making teamwork more efficient. So, key features of Canva. First is drag and drop editor. Canva allows users to move text, pictures, icons, and shapes simply by dragging and dropping them into the desired position. This makes designing easy even for beginners. Example: if I want to move a little the top of the slide or resize pictures, I simply drag it with my mouse or finger. Second, thousands of templates. Canva provides thousands of professionally designed templates for presentations, posters, certificates, resumes, invitations, brochures, and many more. These templates save time because users only need to customize the existing design instead of creating everything from scratch. Example: for a science presentation, I can choose a science theme template and replace the simple text with my own content. Number three, stock photos, videos, and graphics. Canva has a large built-in library of photos, videos, icons, stickers, illustrations, and design elements. This allows users to create visually appealing projects with searching for images on different websites. For example, if I am making a report about the solar system, I can easily search for planet images and space icons within Canva. Fourth, animation and video editing. Canva allows users to animate text, images, and objects. It includes simple video editing tools where users can add transitions, music, and effects. Animation makes presentations more engaging and help capture the audience attention. For example, for my class presentation, I can make my title fade in, add smooth transitions between slides. And fifth one is collaboration and sharing. So Canva allows multiple users to work on the same project at the same time. Every change is automatically saved, making collaboration faster and more convenient. So for example, for our group presentation, each member is assigned different slides. We can all work on the presentation simultaneously without needing the combined files. And sixth one is AR power design tools. Canva now includes artificial intelligence, or as we all know, is AI features that help users generate presentations, write content, remove image backgrounds, create images, and suggest designs improvements. These tools help users faster and improve the quality of their design. So for example, if I don't know how to start my presentation, Canva AI can suggest a design layout or generate an outline based on my topic. So types of designs you can create. So first is presentations. Canva allows users to create engaging presentations for school reports, seminars, and business meetings. So example, creating a presentation for a classroom reporting activity. The second one is posters. So posters are used to promote events, spread awareness, or display important information. So example, designing an anti-bullying campaign posters for schools, and infographics. So infographics organize information using charts, icons, and illustrations, making complex easier to understand. So for example, creating an infographic that explains the water cycle, and flyers. Flyers are commonly used to advertise events, products, or school activities. Example, creating a flyers to event students to a school club event, and certificates. So Canva provides certificate templates for recognition, awards, and person- participation. So example, designing certificates for quiz competition and winners, and of course resume. So Canva helps users create professional resumes with clean and modern designs. So for example, preparing a resume for internship or future job application, and also social media posts. So Canva allows users to create content for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. So for example, creating a social media poster to promote our school upcoming event, videos, and animation. So, Canva can also create a short educational videos, advertisement, and animated presentation. So, for example, making a short educational video as a performance task in a class. Canva is more than a graphic design platform. It is a powerful and a user-friendly tool that helps students, teachers, professionals, and businesses create high quality visual content quickly and efficiently. It's easy to use features, ready made templates, collaboration tools, and AI powered capabilities make designing accessible to everyone. So, as a student, Canva helps us create creative, organized, and professional project while improving our communication, creativity, and digital skills. So, that's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. So, today I will be discussing about the benefits of using Canva, the advantages and limitations, and the real life applications of using Canva. So first is the benefits of using Canva. So Canva is easy to use, and also Canva is designed so that anyone can create designs without needing advanced graphic design skills. And in using Canva, you can simply drag and drop elements into your design. So like for example, kita no as a student, so in using Canva, no, we can quickly make a poster for a school project without learning complicated software. Then second is the user friendly interface. So Canva is a simple and organized layout, making it easy to find tools, templates, and design elements. So like for example, if you want to add text or pictures, so in Canva, you can easily find the buttons on the screen. Then third is time saving. So Canva helps users create designs faster because many design tools and resources are already available. Now, like for example, instead of creating a presentation from scratch, so in Canva, you can choose a template and edit it in a minute. Then fourth is the ready-made templates simplify the design process. So Canva provides thousands of templates for presentations, posters, resumes, social media posts, and more. Like for example, if need taog kining birthday invitation. So in Canva, we can select a template and we can also customize it with our own details. Then fifth is accessible. So Canva can be accessed anywhere with an internet connection. So like for example, you can work on your project at school, no, at home or while traveling, no. Basta kay na lang kay internet connection. The next is available on computers, tablets, and smartphones. So Canva works on different devices, allowing you to design wherever you are. Like for example, if nag-start ka og buhat sa imong presentations on your laptop, and you can continue editing it in your phone. The next is the collaborative. So Canva allows people to work together on the same design in a real time. The next is the multiple users can work on the same design. So several people can access, edit, and give feedback on one project at the same time. Like for example, a teacher and students can collaborate on a class presentation without sending files back and forth. So in summary, Canva is popular because it is easy to use, saves time, provides ready-made templates, works on different devices, and it allows teamwork through collaboration features. The next is the advantage and limitations of Canva. But let us talk first about the advantages of Canva. So, Canva is easy to learn. So even though you are beginners, by using Canva, you can quickly understand on how to use it. Then second is the large template library. So it offers already made templates for different projects. Then third is the collaboration tools. So teams can work together on the same design. Then fourth is the available on multiple devices. So you can use Canva on computers, tablets, and smartphones. Then next is the limitations of Canva. So first is some features require Canva Pro. So certain tools are only available with a paid subscription. Second is it requires internet for most functions. So many features need an internet connection. Then third is limited advanced editing. So it has a fewer professional editing tools than software like Photoshop. Then last is um, some premium elements are paid. So certain templates, images, and graphics require payment. The next is the real-life applications of using Canva. So Canva is used by students, teachers, business owners, content creators, marketers, and organizations. In for example, students, 'di ba? Canva is used for school projects and in business advertisements. So Canva is useful for students, teachers, business, and organizations because it helps them to create attractive and professional designs easily. So in conclusion, Canva is a versatile and user-friendly design platform. So it helps users to create professional visual content quickly and efficiently. And its accessibility and wide range of features make it a valuable tool for education, business, and personal projects. And with Canva, anyone can turn ideas into beautiful designs. And that's all. Thank you.